up, guys? It's your boy Liam back with another video, and today we're going to pick up everybody for Christmas. There's Mike.
What up, boys? Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah.
What?
Happy Hanukkah, all that, you know.
No.
Show them what it looks like out.
Pretty nice out there. Hey, guys, this is a pretty nice GoPro. It's a new one, so.
It's the 11. The old GoPro 11. We're doing a test video here to see how our sound quality is and all of that stuff, so.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Definitely.
Well, not outside. It's about 10 degrees.
Yes, sir. It's chilly. What's that say? Recording? Is that red thing say record?
Yeah, this red thing is.
Yeah.
It's a pretty nice camera.
Yeah, we're gonna see how the sound, like if so this way, if I'm talking just like this normal talk, you know, I want to see.
You're not the
Yeah, I don't want to have to talk like this the whole time I'm making a video.
Yeah.
So I just want to be able to talk like this. You can stop it if you want, and we can.
Alright. It's really back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a time lapse of the whole entire house. Give you a little house tour. We will be going to the basement, but that will be in a little bit. So let's start the time lapse. My mom's laughing. Here is the bathroom. This is now my room. Upstairs we go. Is the bathroom. Yep. That's a scary room that we're definitely not going into right now. Down to the very nice basement that I live in, we go. Very nice basement. Now this time I'm not actually gonna do the whole entire, you know, time-lapse thing. TV, everything, you know. I was playing not WWE, NBA 2K22. So, yep, everything in here, just a few nutcrackers, everything. You know, the bar, all the drinks, alcoholic beverages. Enjoyed that video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. We gone.